mentoring and free things like where do I advertise and all that. We can discuss that down the road. It's really not fair for me to take the time out to talk about something when you're not even really a student. So, but the other people that are interested, you can still schedule a call if you're unsure of anything you can't find on our course. But you're going to learn all this stuff once you get signed up. We'll help you out. There's 6 modules we tell you to follow, and you'll be up and running by the time you're done with those modules, getting calls and going out and preparing doors and making the money. It takes 2 to 3 weeks, most people, to do it in. Some people have done it in less time. So if you guys are thinking about doing it, I can mentor you as you go while you're doing the course, give you what works in this industry. I'll see you in the course. www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. I've been doing it over 40 years. I was trained by the right guys. We used to do jobs all over San Francisco on hills that are off 10 inches from one side to the other on a 8-foot wide door. We did everything on garage doors. So learn the right way, do it at your own pace, and you get a lifetime access to it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.